Hello YouTube, it's me again. It's always me, moist and deep. Today, this is my salad. Tuna salad with the ranch dressing on it. Creamy. Just like your grandmama used to make for you. It'll bring back memories. Oh yeah. Got pieces of chunky garlic in there. I love it. Tomatoes, cucumbers, and salad. Vegetables. This week's Military Bowl DC Touchdown Club High School Player of the Week is Urbana quarterback Keegan Johnson. Isn't that just nice? I made a lot more salad than I was able to finish yesterday. I just had half of it and I saved the rest for later. And I put it in the fridge so that I could have something. Well, here's the dressing. I just opened it. It's fresh from Target, actually. You can get groceries really cheap. It's even better than the BJ's sometimes. Since I broke my neck, I only care about myself now. I'm a very selfish guy. It's all about self-love. So I go to the store as frequently as possible. And I never bring a shopping cart. I just get a handful of the things that I need, that I want the most. And I buy those. But I try to travel around every day looking for exactly what I need out there. This is how I'm able to have such a variety of ingredients. And some of the things we have, we grow it out in the back. We got a garden, you know. I have the tomatoes in this salad anyway, and cucumbers too. A friend of mine might want to go fishing with me sometime next week for 3 days out in Maryland and by the Bay Bridge. We'll catch a small shark. What did he catch from the ocean? We bringing a lot of ice with me on the boat, and then we'll fillet the fish using una cucharilla, especial gourmet pescar los pescado the mar del azul, and también mar verdes. We go to both the ocean in El Rio. Aquí también we go to the Potomac. We get the catfish out of the wild. Oh, the salad was delicious. I'm so happy though because I actually have another one. It's ready to go. It's the same exact thing. I have a bunch of these actually in the fridge. I like to get prepared for the week because I'm a smart guy. I like to do these things. That's a little bit excessive. Maybe. I would love to toss my salad for you guys. And just have some. Oh, how delicious. What a nice salad. Like leaning against a jug of milk. I'm gonna wash this down with some milk later. Like just regular milk from the store, you know. Don't you all drink milk? What kind of guy doesn't want to drink milk out here? I know the Democrats live nearby, but do they drink any milk though? Maybe they have like almond milk. What if they have camel milk or milk from a goat, like a goat's breast? You have to squeeze. Very, very, very nice. Very good for you. The milk in America is not very healthy for you to. Oh. I'm gonna start some kind of a business. It's gonna involve handmade DIY. Well, nothing but like little devices, like battery powered and solar powered. I want to be able to power these things on my bicycle. In order to do this, I have to set up some kind of a wheel, some kind of a gear system, because I want the generator to be attached to my pedals, not my rear wheel. I want it on my pedal, my crank, my chain wheel. I need to generate some electricity there. There's probably other people that do that, right? They flip a little switch on their handlebars and they start to charge up their battery. I know there's people out there. This is a new era. We've got the cheap lithium batteries from China. So there's a whole lot of technology out there, you know. And now the semiconductors are being made right here locally. Are they gonna crank them out like well, I'll be driving EVs pretty soon. They're gonna ban the gas out here. That would suck. Yeah. Okay then. Wow, how creamy and delicious.
TikTok said its community guidelines prohibit.
I saw the Queen on the TV this morning. Do you think she was really in the coffin? I don't know, it's been a while since she died. Was she in there or not? What if it was like Michael Jackson? They're a bunch of, you can't trust them though. They're the devil.
Paramount will discontinue its Showtime streaming service and move the content to its new Paramount Plus. Discovery is combining its Discovery Plus streaming service with HBO Max. Pay raises for Hard Rock's U.S. employees. big ones. Hardrock will spend $100 million to hike wages for...
There's a lot of raw garlic in here, actually. I put it
In
extra.
some cases, as much as 60%.
Yeah.
This is National Truck Driver Appreciation Week. Sheetz is making it a whole month. All this month, truckers can get free subs, chips, and drinks. Sheetz has also lowered its diesel fuel prices to $4.49 a gallon through the end of September. Jeff Little, WTOP News. Money News brought to you by
Businesses that make energy efficiency upgrades can save an average of $3,000 in utility costs each year. Learn more at petco.com/business savings. Could there be a rail strike in the U.S. and what would its impact be on the economy? That story coming up, it's 3:26.
Axonius Federal Systems helps federal government agencies gain the confidence to control IT and security complexity by collecting and correlating asset data from existing solutions. Axonius provides an always up-to-date inventory, uncovers gaps, and automates response options. With Axonius, free up your team's time to focus on the high-value initiatives they were trained
Wow.
to do. Learn more and try it
Well.
at axonius.com/TOP.
Okay,
That's AXONIUS.com.
I've obviously got a bunch more salad. This is how much salad I have to work with. What do you guys think? Should I finish this later today? It's so garlicky. Oh. Very spicy with the hot. I could also make
Donate your card today.
fish tacos. I could take a tortilla and